Hello everyone, I'm Batpan, finally. So this is actually the beginning of our first ever course and we will actually create a retro horror game inside it. I've been thinking about this a lot, especially about the game itself. Yeah, like 1 hour. Oh, sorry about that. That was my other half. He jokes a lot. Don't listen to him. But seriously, I've been thinking about this since last week. How to actually create a course and what to include in it. Now I have a conclusion that we can talk about in the next couple of minutes. This course is perfect for everyone. Whether you're a beginner or you already know things about Unity and game development, we can actually learn stuff from each other during this course. In this video, we'll discuss what we want to create, the elements we'll add to our game in the upcoming parts, and getting started with our project in Unity Hub and loading it into Unity. I recently published my own game, which is also a retro horror game, but it's a psychological horror with some twists in the story. If you enjoy these types of games, I'd love it if you could check it out and share your thoughts. If you need tips and tricks about Unity, I also have a series of videos you can check out. With all that being said, let's jump into the first section of the video, the introduction. Here's the plan. We're gonna create a game set in a creepy forest. We need lots of trees, and our goal is to search cabins for key items to escape the forest. Think of starting a car's engine or something similar, for example, when we want to escape it. But we'll actually discuss this in detail in the upcoming parts. We might even randomize the key locations to add some variety and maybe add a little story at the beginning. But the story is not our main focus right now for this course. And of course, we'll have a spooky enemy. We'll create it, give it an AI to chase us, and maybe, just maybe, it can unalive us. You know, that's how we should talk in YouTube.
Help me!
After that, in the end, we'll publish the game on itch.io. We'll read players' comments and feedback to improve our future games. One more important thing, if you create anything based on this course, whether it's a test project with a different enemy, key items, or story, I'd be very happy to test your games too. We can even feature them in a YouTube video, which would be super fun. We'll learn a lot of things together, and now we can actually go and start creating our course. When we're actually inside, we can double click on our Unity Hub to actually open up our Unity Hub. Now that it's open, we have a list of our projects here. When we are here, we can actually create a new project by going up here and click on this new project. A new project, we come across here. You can select your Unity version. Mine is 2022. In here, I'm going to be choosing 3D built in. I have a location selected. Okay, then we need a project name for it. You can name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it, for example, Retro Horror Course, for example. Okay, now we can go ahead and create a project. We're going to click on this, which is going to actually create our project. So we have to wait until the project is created. Our project is now created. This is our project. This is an empty scene. We have a camera here, and that is what we wanted to create. We can actually create a 3D train up here. Actually, a normal train. You can click on this plus or right click here and 3D. This is 3D train. You can select your camera, press W, and you can move it like right here. That was it for this video. I wanted to just explain to you guys what we will be creating in the upcoming parts. I would be really happy if you liked this video, if you enjoyed it. You can subscribe to see more on this course. You can tell me any opinions or any suggestions you have for this course or anything. I'll be glad to answer them. I'm gonna go do something for the end of the video as I did in all my videos.
Take a look around, it's a war zone.
So this is what I created for the end of the video. I hope you like it.
Around this war zone. The damage is already done. Take a look around and keep your guns high. It's a war zone. It's a war zone.
Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.